Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to create a 3D model from a single image. I have 4 images like that, like a beach, scooter, a smack model and a vase. Let's create these 3D models from these images. As you can see, I created this 3D peach model from a single image on the left corner. Model looks fantastic with clean topology. Okay, now let's choose scooter. Second model is ready as well. As you can see, we picked quality from model type and it looks much better. This is really great because from just a single image we have 3D model. We can see white diffuse, albedo and normal maps here as well. As you can see, model looks awesome. Okay, let's continue with another model. Drag and drop another image. It is amazing. It's a good toaster and we can see all the models here. Perfect. Let's continue with another model. I put this vase image here. Okay, our new model is ready. As you can see, from a single image, it's a perfect 3D model. And this is the albedo, and textures are also awesome. And this is the white diffuse to see the polygons much better, and it's really looking amazing. This is the rendering result. Last time I tested Hi3D, so today let's try some more challenging examples and see how well it performs. Alright, in this example I used a coffee table, a classic coffee table. So as you can see, the result is amazing. I created this 3D model from a single image. In this model, I'm creating a different shaped chair. It's like a structural armchair. What do you think? From a single image, a 3D model. And in this example, I tested ornamental column capitals. As you can see, the details are really amazing though. and another ornamental column capital example, as you can see from a just single image. And in this example, I tried a door handle. As you can see, he created the back face as well. It looks gorgeous. And with all the details map and normal maps, model looks so clean. And another door handle, this time a bit more detailed. A classic door handle from a single image again. And in this example, I tried a classic coffee table. As you can see, the model looks amazing as usual, with all the details. Okay guys, what do you think about this Hi3D software? Because I think this is really good from a single image, a 3D model. Please write your comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. See you in the next video.